An Austin judge denies Laura Hall's attorney's request for more time, and now the resentencing will go ahead as planned.
Hall was convicted of tampering with evidence and hindering the capture of Colton Petoniak after he murdered Jennifer Cave in 2005. She was sentenced to 5 years, but was given a new sentencing phase after an appeal found certain evidence was withheld from her defense attorneys. But now a similar cry from the defense could mean another reversal down the road. Chris Sadeghi is live at the Travis County Criminal Justice Center tonight to tell us what evidence is being disputed this time. Chris.
Well, this time it is an interview with Colton Petoniak's cellmate. The defense says they never had a chance to hear it, and had a jury had a chance to hear it, they may not have found Hall guilty. Laura Hall was sporting her smile for the 120 potential jurors who filed into the courtroom. But before her resentencing even began, her attorney Joe Sawyer was yelling foul. The same foul.
I set out the history of what I think now is a deliberate series of violations by prosecutors.
Withheld evidence is what led to the resentencing, and Sawyer says the prosecution did it again. This time it's an interview with Colton Petoniak's cellmate, who says back in 2006, Petoniak told him about a plan to put Jennifer Cave's body in barrels, but the barrels were too big for his car, so he came up with another plan. And never at any point did he say Hall was a part of the murder. Information Sawyer says may have exonerated her.
And I think if it had been available to guilt innocence, we might have had a different result.
But am I worried that the case is going to get reversed on appeal again? No.
There's no worries on the part of Assistant DA Allison Wetzel. She says nothing was withheld and the interview has always been available. The defense just overlooked it, so on with the trial.
All that information is in our file and has been made available to him for a very long time.
Sawyer's motions for continuance and judicial misconduct were denied, and the resentencing will go on as planned. But the defense is already confident that whatever the jury decides will not be final.
There's no question there's going to be another appeal, and I believe more firmly than the first time that it's going to be reversed.
And jury selection should be wrapping up shortly. They'll begin presenting evidence tomorrow. The trial expected to last until the end of the week. However, as you heard, you can expect a lengthy appeals process once the sentence is handed down. We're live downtown. Chris Sadeghi, KXAN, Austin News.